Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about what the meaning of exponent. Exponent, it means how many times we need multiple of base by itself. See, for example, if I write 5 power of 3, 5 is called a base value, okay? And 3 or power 3 is called exponent or a power. I'm reading 5 power of 3. It means 5, how many repeated times by itself? 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 times 5 is equals to 125. So the exponents, it means how many repeated times the base value, how many repeated times base value by itself. Another example, 3 power of 4, it means 3 is repeated how many times? 4 times. So I will write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is equals 9. 9 times and 3 times 3 is equals 9. So 9 times 9 is equals 81. So 3 power of 4, it means what? Excellent. It means it's repeated time by itself 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So the product, it will be 81. 5. Another example. 7 power of 4. It means the base value. How many repeated times? 4 times. So I write 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, so the product, it will be 7 times 7 is equals 49, and 7 times 7 is equals 49. 49 times 49 is equals to 2401. Okay, another example. In this equations, he is write the base value. How many repeated times? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So the base value, power of, excellent, 3 power of 5. 3 times 3 is equals 9 times 3, 27 times 3 is equals 81. 81 times 3 is equals 243. Two power of 4. It means the base value. How many repeated times? 4 times. Okay. Say so. I will write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals 4. 4 times 2 is equals 8. 8 times 2 is equals 16. So the power 2, the power of 4 is equals 16. 9 power of 3. It means the base value, how many repeated times? 3 times. 9 times 9 times 9. So the product, it will be 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is equals to 729. Another example. more concepts for or definition to the exponent. Any base value power of 0 is equals 1. Say, for example, 3 power of 0 is equals 1. When we say 5 power of 0 is equals 1. 9 power of 0 is equals 1. Any base value power of 0 is equals 1. Fine. Another definition. 0 power of 4. The base value is 0. The power is 4. It means 0 is how many repeated times? 4 times. So 0 power of any number is equals 0. Okay, another concept. -2 power of 2. When we write the power of even number, I will cancel the negative sign. Okay. -2 power of 2 is, it means -2 is repeated how many times? 2 times. -2 times -2. Okay. Negative and negative we will cancel. 2 times 2 is equals 4. So -2 power of 2 is equals 4. Another example. -4 power of 3. When we write the power is odd number, I will -4 power of 3. When we write the exponent or power is odd number, I will keep the sign negative. -4 power of 3, it means -4, how many repeated times? 3 times. -4 times -4 times -4. So the product, it will be -64. Okay. In the last, we will explain today what the meaning of exponent. Exponent, who can tell me what the meaning of exponent? Excellent. Exponent, it means how many times we need multiply the base by itself. Say, for example, another example in the last session. 4 power of 2. This 4 is called a base value. 2 exponent or power. Power, it means how many repeated times base value is repeated by itself. 4 power of 2, it means 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So 4 power of 2 is equal 16. Have a nice day. Goodbye and see you soon.